I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to turn off automatic app updates on Android. Are you someone who likes to have more control over when and how your Android apps update? Perhaps you're mindful of your device's data usage, or you prefer to review updates before installing them. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off automatic app updates on your Android device. This simple tweak gives you back the control, allowing you to update apps on your own terms. Whether you're conserving data or just like to keep tabs on what's new in each app update, you'll find this guide incredibly helpful. Now let's walk through the steps to turn off automatic app updates on Android. Step 1. Open the Play Store app on your Android device. The Google Play Store home screen is displayed. Step 2. Tap your profile picture at the top of this screen. A menu is shown. Step 3. Tap Settings in this menu. You'll land on the Settings menu. Step 4. Tap to expand the Network Preferences section and then tap Auto Update Apps. The Auto Update Apps window pops up. Step 5. Tap to select Don't Auto Update Apps and then tap OK. Automatic app updates will be disabled on your Android device going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.